Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 1998 Ford F-150. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your vehicle's multifunction switch, which is responsible for controlling your turn signals, high beams, and your wipers. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you need this part for your truck, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1aauto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Remove your ignition lock cylinder by turning the key to the run position and using a pick or another small straight tool to push the detent ball and remove the cylinder from the column. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws from the holes in the column using a Phillips head screwdriver. If you have a tilt steering column, tilt it all the way down and pop out this panel with your hands, and then slide the panel out from behind the column. Tilt your column back up. Unscrew the tilt column lever if your vehicle has a tilt column. Then separate the steering column cover and remove it. Remove the 2 T15 Torx screws from your multifunction switch. You can use a Torx driver and a ratchet or a Torx screwdriver because there's really not a lot of tension on these, so they're pretty easy to get out. You may have to push the lever down to get to the top one. You can now access the connectors a little bit easier. For the top one, you'll need to pry up on the tab. The lock tab on the top has a twin on the bottom side of the connector that you'll also need to pry out to remove. You'll also need to pop this connector out here. Again, there's a tab top and bottom. You'll need to pry out both to remove the switch. And remove your multifunction switch from the column. Here we have our old multifunction switch that we removed from our vehicle and our new part from 1aauto.com. As you can see, these parts are exactly the same with the same 2-bolt mounting location. This little switch here is actually what cancels your turn signals when your steering wheel comes around straight again. That's the same. We have the same hazard switch. It's very important that you check the color of your hazard switch because there are 2 different styles of multifunction switch for these trucks. One has a black hazard switch like this, the other is orange. They are different and will not work with each other. We have the same stalk with the same wiper settings as well as the push button washer. And on the back side, we have the same 2 electrical connections. So if your old multifunction switch has gone bad and is creating issues with your turn signals, wiper functions, washers, or high beams, this new part from 1A Auto is going to go in direct fit, just like your original equipment, and fix you up right. Reinstall the electrical connections at the back of your multifunction switch. These will only fit one way. Push them in until they snap into place. Line up your new multifunction switch with the appropriate holes and reinstall your 2 T15 Torx screws. Reinstall the 2 halves of the steering column cover. Reinstall the 3 Phillips head screws. Reinstall your ignition cylinder. Turn it back and remove the key. Reinstall the tilt column switch by screwing it back into its opening. Reinstall the rear cover. Snap it into place and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.